Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix no SIM card or SIM failure error on iPhone. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Solution number 1. Enable and disable aeroplane mode. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, enable aeroplane mode. Then wait for few seconds and disable it. Solution number 2. Allow mobile data changes. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on screen time. On the screen time page, scroll down, tap content and privacy restriction. Turn on content and privacy restriction. Scroll down, tap mobile data changes. Select allow. Solution number 3. Reset network setting. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on general. On the general page, scroll down, tap transfer reset iPhone. Tap reset. Tap reset network setting. Enter your phone passcode. Again reset network setting in the pop-up window to confirm this process. Thanks for watching this video.